Hello guys, welcome one more time to YAKea Solar Products. My name is Castano, as you probably see me in the other videos. I'm one of the engineers in the development department of YAKea Solar Miami. Today I'm going to introduce you to the YAKea-H line. As many of you know, YAKea Solar is a leader company specialized in rural electrification solutions with plug-and-play functionality. So today I'm going to introduce you to the YAKea-H line, which comes with a 500, 1000 and 2000 inverter. So it's the YAKea 500, the YAKea 2000 and the YAKea-H 1000. So these are our medium power type of products specialized for rural electrification. And it comes all as a kit. As you probably see the other videos, they come all as a kit. This one comes as a kit as well. It's just that it comes from 5 different pieces all the way to 9, depending on the size of the system that you want. So I'm going to start explaining you the 500 unit. The 500 unit will give the user 10 to 30% more energy than a conventional system, and it will comply with our more and easy concept. As you know, we have an easy to transport, easy to install concept, and also a more, which is more efficient, economic, and safe. I'm going to start showing you the thing and the things that come with the system. We have a setup that I'm going to explain you in a little bit. So pretty much the system, this is the main unit. The main unit is a pure sine wave inverter with a charge and MPPT controller combined. Pretty much it comes with a step-by-step installation manual to tell you how to connect things to the system, from the batteries to the system, from the panels to the system, and all the loads. So I'm going to start opening the safety box. This is a safety box, so you can protect the cables on the side, and it's easy to remove, so you can take it off, unplug things, or plug things back in. Also, remember the system complies with a safety feature, safety functionality. So pretty much the cabinet comes with its breaker and all its safety functions, as well as the main unit. The main unit comes from the breakers for the DC and AC output, and also some thermostatically protections inside and electronically protections inside. So I'm going to show you all the connections on the side of the system. We have the load, the positive and negative, so you can connect the load. We have the PV connection, which is positive and negative all-to-one connectors, a PLT16. We have an input and output right here from this thing right here that you see on the middle of the system. And we have the batteries, the positive and negative batteries, also in one connector. It's an Anderson type connector. And we have a remote controller. You can also use a remote control and put it somewhere else independently. It doesn't have to be in the same room as the system. So you can pretty much install it anywhere else. And then you have the RS-232 to achieve that out of the system. So let me close this box really quick. Pretty much you put it back in and make sure you lock it. Make sure you hear the click. And then I'm going to explain you now the battery cabinets. Okay, this is the battery cabinets. You have 2 batteries on bottom, 2 batteries on top. Come with an easy connector with a color code differentiation. So there's no room for mistake. You don't make any mistakes in the connection of the batteries. And it's very simple. You can assemble the cabinet in less than 10 minutes and then put the batteries in another 10 minutes and assemble them together. Do the interconnection with the super cable. It's called the super cable, by the way. So here is the connection for the system. You pretty much plug it in the port that I show you on top, and there you have it. You have the system with the batteries connected to the system, and the panels mounted on the roof. They already come with the rack, the PV rack that you need, and then you assemble it on the roof. Pretty much we see it here. We have the 4 PV modules. And then we have the rack. You assemble it in the roof, and pretty much you just connect it to the system. So remember, once again, it's a plug-and-play functionality. Also, another plus of these systems is that you need no maintenance and no certified personnel for a proper installation. And the overall system install could save the user from 20 to 30% in the installation process. So it's a really good thing. So now let me explain you all the other things that we have. We have also the YAKea 1000, the H1000. The 1K basically comes from one of these cabinets. This is a cabinet for 8 batteries. As we see here, it comes with 4 batteries on top, 4 batteries on bottom, and then you do the interconnection with the super cable as well. For the 2000 unit, you have 2 of these, 2 of the same ones, and it's going to be with 16 PV modules. So you're going to have 16 PV modules and the branch connector that I already showed you in the previous videos to do the interconnection between the panels. So it's very easy as well. As we see here, we have some of the things that you can connect to the system. You can connect a TV, you can connect a fan or an AC, you can use an electronic point of safe a lamp, a refrigeration system. You can also use an ATM machine and many other things. So it's a great system to use anywhere. Once again, it's made for rural electrification, but you can use it and as a backup system in your house. It's a really powerful system, so it's great. The system also is called to revolutionize the rural electrification industry around the world, and it's a really simple. Once again, comes with a step-by-step manual that teach you all the steps they need to know to do a proper installation. So it's a great product for each size. So thank you so much for following, and we'll keep you posted for more new and innovative products. Thank you.